If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.
Which it was supposed to be a thing between me and her only. What happened, Joe?
Idiot! God! Man!
International community in calling for justice, the directive explained. Civilized societies demand punishment and restitution to deter and raise the cost of future egregious acts. The United States would lobby its allies and protégés to insist on a full accounting of what had happened, an official apology, and punishment of those responsible. The second objective was to
You know what? And I'm going to do this one again. This was just so nice to hear good, positive things, especially on a Friday afternoon. I feel great. Kurwa, блядь. Every single one of you, sure you're good today. Another chance to win $100 this weekend for free. Here's live.
Sexual predator who's been found civilly liable for sexual assault in the office. We shouldn't normalize that ever. And so I'm going to say it every damn day, and I'm going to call it out. So
finally like, no, 1050. 41 in Winnebago.
Oh!
Over Winnebago. Let's get EMS rolling right away.
Get on the ground!
House to the details of his sexual shortcomings. Then I pat her gently on the shoulder and give her a tissue and a cup of tea and a statement sheet. This is my job, and you don't go into it, or if you do, you don't last. Some natural affinity for its priorities and demands. What I am telling you before you...
Oh my god! I don't think I broke anything. Jesus Christ. Catch up to him and fucking... Yeah.
Where we live. On May 20th, join me for a special talk at the Ferguson Library in Stamford. I'm speaking with Robert M. Dowling. He's the author of Coyote Lives of Sam Shepard. Find out more by visiting ctpublic.org/whereweread.